All right. Honestly, my first workout was unpacking the damn thing. I still have the bench left. I got stuff to do, but this is the Vitruvian, and I'm going to do my first workout slash setup. So, see, set up your benchmark, measure your current strength capabilities, etc. Let's begin.
Welcome everyone, I'm Coach Nix, and today we'll go through a series of exercises to measure your strength. This should take about 10 to 15 minutes to complete, so ensure you have enough time. These exercises have been carefully selected to ensure you can perform them safely. However, always listen to your body, rest longer if you need to, and stop if you're in pain. This strength assessment is an essential step to optimizing your experience with Vitruvian. At the end of the assessment, the machine will unlock weights accordingly and recommend the optimal resistances to ensure you are getting the best experience to progress along your fitness journey. Before we start optimizing your experience with Vitruvian, exercises have been at the end.
So note, hello cat. What I'm going to be doing is actually more of a 5x5 or strong lifts or type program. And so, but I still want to see how this looks, so let's go.
At the end of the assessment, the machine will unlock weights accordingly and recommend the optimal resistances to ensure you are getting the best experience to progress along your fitness journey. Before we start, please ensure that you're warmed up and feel ready. If you're unsure about the warm-up, you can select one of our classes to get your body moving. If any of the exercises don't feel right for you, or you're unable to perform it due to a previous injury, please skip through. For this session, you'll need your handles, ankle straps, and the metal adapter to connect two handles to one cable. We will be performing compound lifts, which are movements that use multiple muscle groups, as well as accessory or single joint movements to ensure we're targeting all muscle groups. We'll aim to perform 8 reps in a given time. This is in addition to the 3.
So I'll just do the 2 handles for now.
Warm-up reps at the beginning of each exercise. If you find the resistance too easy, up your tempo. If you start to struggle, the machine will naturally back off. If you feel you need more reps to find your max, you can always return to these exercises at a later time. We're going to start with our Romanian deadlift. So we're going to stand shoulder width apart, pushing the hips back, keeping the knees nice and soft. We're going to maintain a neutral spine, so flat back, chin is tucked. We're going to lower down controlled, and then drive up, squeezing our glutes and using our hamstrings. So let's get started with our 3 warm-up reps. Grab those handles, and let's go. 2. Let's get 1 more. Now the weight will load the faster you move up, so really try to push the concentric phase and slowly lower the weight down. Ensure you're not letting the machine just pull you back. So let's stay tight and control the resistance. Let's try it again faster. Whew. See how the weight has gone up? You're gonna reach a point where you won't be able to get over your previous max anymore. So at this point, you can either pause or skip to the next exercise. Great job. Whew. We'll use this concentric max to recommend weights for you in the app. The longer you wait in the bottom position, the lighter the weight will be, and you'll need to start building it up again over a few reps. Great job. Now moving on. The next exercise is a bent over row. So again, we're going to stand shoulder width apart, pushing the hips back and squeezing our glutes to hold ourselves up. We're going to draw our elbows past the rib cage, nice and close. Let's do this together. We're going to measure our first 3 reps. 1, 2, 3. Now that resistance is going to come on. The faster we move up, the more the weight will increase. Let's do one fast one. Squeeze your shoulders together and control down. Let's see if we can beat our max. Great job. We have about 5 more seconds to go. Let's see if we can beat it. Push, push, push. If you feel like you've already reached your max, you can set the handles down and relax till the next exercise. Next, for our suitcase squat, we're gonna stand about hip width apart or slightly wider depending on your hip mobility. We're gonna push our hips back like we're sitting.
All right, so not putting all into this, but this is pretty good so far. See how it goes.
On a chair, driving the knees out and squeezing the glutes at all times. So let's get our warm-up reps together. Picking up the handles, we have 1, 2, 3. Now we're gonna wanna move up fast to really test our strength. Let's try and speed it up with each rep. So you can find that personal max. Keep going until the timer finishes or when you feel like you've reached your max. Remember, let's keep that form and down. Great job. Now it's time to train chest. So let's make our way down to the machine and lay in between the cable ports, positioning the shoulders at the end of the machine so that your chest is in line with where the cables begin. We're going to bring our arms out at 45 degrees and lay in between.
All right, let's see. Let's see, where are these? All right, this is pretty annoying.
Between the cable ports, positioning the shoulders at the end of the machine so that your chest is in line with where the cables begin. We're going to bring our arms out at 45 degrees, wrists are stacked in line with our elbows, and we're going to press up. 2, 3, now the resistance is going to come on. Drive up as fast as you can. Let's see how heavy we can go. Great job, stay with me. Nearly there. If you feel like you've reached your max, again, you can rest until the next exercise. Otherwise, let's keep pushing it. Last one, and down. Great job. Next up, we have alternating lunges. Now this one is a little bit challenging, so take your time to set it.
All right, I think I'm going to end this for here and continue this on another time.